Hello, this series of videos will help you with your microcrawler monster truck tires. I'm showing you what is included in the package. That would be the rims, tires. This will need to be modified using the formable wire to make a jig to drill holes. I have included for you 2 drill bits. You will need a bigger drill bit for the center of the rims, and it needs to be big enough for you to fit your 4-way. This is a modified one. I cut the 2 big pieces off, cleaned it up, and I have included plastic tubing for you to modify. You need this long socket because your rims are offset deep. The way you modify this is you form around the edge using glue the 2 pieces, and it'll look like this. I use hot glue. This will be your jig to drill 4 holes into your yellow rims.